Welcome to KSG State Series. In this video, we're going to talk about the state of Nagaland. Nagaland is a state in northeastern part of India. The facts collected are based on the questions asked on Nagaland in competitive examinations. We start with a brief introduction on the state. The capital city of Nagaland is Kohima. Boundaries of Nagaland touches with Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Assam, and Myanmar. Now, Nagaland is mostly a mountainous state. Mount Saramati is the highest peak in Nagaland. Wildlife sanctuaries located in Nagaland are Pakim Wildlife Sanctuary, Pulibadze Wildlife Sanctuary, and Intanki National Park. Blythe tragopan is an important bird. Out of 5 species of tragopan found in the Himalayan region, Tragopan blythii is found only in Nagaland. Nagaland was established in 1963 on the 1st of December. Census 2011 Nagaland tells that the decadal growth in population was minus 0.47%. Now let's shift focus to the culture of Nagaland. Now, very importantly, Nagaland is home to several tribes: the Angami, Khiamniungan, Lotha, Sumi, Ao, Kuki, Phom, Sangtam, Chakhesang, Konyak, Poturi, Yimchungr, Chang, Kachari, Ringma, and Zeliang are the tribes that are living in Nagaland. Now, within the language of a particular tribe, there are dialects mutually unintelligible. For instance, in some tribes like the Angami, every village has a slightly different variation, even within the same dialect. This variance progressively increasing with the geographical distance. This makes inter-tribe communication, that is, communication between two tribes, and intra-tribe communication, that is, the communication within the tribal groups, very difficult. In the circumstances, English has come to serve as the state language, while Nagamese, a kind of pidgin Assamese, has become the common lingua. So now let us tell you about the festivals and the tribes, which tribes are celebrating which festivals. The Angami celebrates Sekreni, Ao celebrate Moatsu, Chang celebrate Nak Nulim, Kuki celebrate Mimkut, Lotha celebrate Toku Emong, Phom celebrate the Monu festival, Zeliang celebrate the Melingi, and the Langsimgi celebrate the Chengagadi festival. Now, the Hornbill festival is a very important festival of the state. It was in the year 2000 that the state government, desirous of promoting tourism, embarked upon an ambitious project to exploit the cultural assets of Nagaland through a week-long festival to coincide with the celebration of Nagaland Statehood Day on the 1st of December. Thus, the inception of the Nagaland Hornbill Festival, so named in collective reverence to the bird enshrined in the cultural ethos of the Nagas to espouse the spirit of unity in diversity. The annual Hornbill Festival is held for 10 days, the 1st to the 10th of December. It draws all the tribes and sub-tribes of Nagaland to the foothills below the lofty spurs of towering Mount Japfu, wherein lies the Naga Heritage Village in Kasama, the venue of the festival. It plays host to a week-long medley of cultural performances. And now let us tell you some important facts about the state. The Amur falcon is a migratory bird from Mongolia. It comes to roost at Doyang Lake. These birds travel from Mongolia to Africa. There is also water reservoir of the Doyang hydroelectric project. Amur falcons are raptors. Pangti village of Wokha district is also known as the Amur falcon capital. Christians form 90% of the population in Nagaland. There are 16 major tribes in Nagaland, and each tribe is distinct in character from the other in terms of customs, language, and dress. Inner Line Permit or ILP is required for Indian citizens to enter Nagaland. About 70% of the population depends on agriculture. Rice is the staple food and occupies about 70% of the total cultivated area, consisting of about 75% of the total food grain production. Coal is found in Nazira, Portjan, and Teru Valley of Mon district. Nagaland is yet to fully explore its huge estimated reserves of natural oil. Limestone of grey to whitish grey color is found at Wazeho and Satuza in Pheg district and in Nimi Belt in Tuensang district. English, as we told you earlier, is the official language of Nagaland. Nagaland is doing very well in horticulture. Main rivers of the state are Dhansiri, Doyang and Dhiku. Many insurgency groups are claiming for Greater Nagalim, a sovereign geographical area carved out from different states of India and Myanmar where Nagas are in majority. Naga Peace Accord was signed in 2015 between the Government of India and NSCN-IM. Now let us tell you about the Battle of Kohima. It was the turning point of the Japanese offensive into India in 1944 during the Second World War. The battle is often referred to as the Stalingrad of the East. That's it in this edition of KSG State Series. Stay tuned for more such videos on various states of India.